All right, folks, this is a compilation of the most rare chicken Olympic moments on the farmstead. And we first have Blizzard, who is the chicken fig jump champion. And then we have chickens fig flying, and they are dominating the air. Then we have Pigeon, who is the fastest peck pocket on the East Coast as she cleans out each pocket of the Greenstock Garden tiers. And next up, we have the biggest Morning Glory farmstead fig steal of all times as Blizzard runs away with Honeybell's fig. Now on this one, the storm took down the ladder and that nail has been removed, but Honeybell dominates the balance beam with her wing spread, leg and claw peekaboo performance, showing perfect claw formation. And here we have Blizzard and Kettlecorn performing synchronized fig jumps on demand and taking off from the ground like rockets. And lastly, we have Flopsy, who is the tiniest chicken to ever run turbo speeds with such big feathered feet.